Making some cinnamon dippers, I hope. So my son is coming home from school, and I had these canned cinnamon rolls left over from Christmas. So I am going to see if I can make these. I don't know. I got the idea from a different recipe that is like cinnamon dough or cinnamon roll dough, and they twisted it, and I was like, well, why can't I do that with canned cinnamon rolls? Okay, well, because I can't get them undone. So thing is, take them like that, cut them in half, and then we're going to twist. Maybe. Smush them on the, oops, see there's where the other portion of that one went. Smush them on the tray, will that work? We'll see. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. So I'm kind of pushing the ends down so they'll stay twisty. There we go. I'm gonna try this and see if it works. I have no idea. I'm just kind of going for it. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake them, and hopefully I won't incinerate them. All right, then while those are baking, for the dipping part, I'm going to take the icing packet. I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to set it on the stove so the residual heat from the stove will warm up my frosting just a titch and make it a little bit more spreadable. And then I've got extra whipping cream left over too from Christmas. I'm going to add just a little bit more in there. You could use milk if you want. All right, gonna let this warm up sitting on top of the stove while it's baking, and then I'll stir it up. Okay, I've had it sitting on the stove warming a little bit. It didn't get real warm actually. My new stove is really super insulated, so the top doesn't get as warm as my old stove used to, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna mix this around so it's more, oh, yum. So it's more of a dipping consistency. Now, normally when I'm dining on a dime, I would just use milk, but I just happen to have whipping cream left over from Christmas. So that's why I'm just using that up. Okay, there we go. Now that is dipping consistency. All right, I think my dippers are done. Yes, they are. Oh, yum. Oh man, those turned out perfect. Okay, now the recipe is in the description below, but are they too hot? Ooh, look how nice and crispy those are on the bottom. That's perfect. Now, if you wanted them super crispy, these are kind of soft, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, it feels like. So if you want them crispier, just turn down the heat and let them cook a little bit longer. But here we go. Let's taste test. See what these taste like. Oh, that is delicious. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Actually, that whipping cream really adds a good flavor. Yum.